Hi, this is Sairam. I'm from Sona Techno Solutions. I'm the director, taking care of design and development of the product. So we have launched this product in March 2021. Since the pandemic is there, we are not able to fully get into the market in the way what we expected. So we have a complete solution for the home automation with capacitive touch control, where it is affordable for any homes, even the mid segment. Where it will cost for a 2 BHK, it will not be more than 65k, and for 3 BHK, it will be around 85k. And this will change the whole of the switchboards as you see in the poster here. So actually, considering that the cost and the solution what is available, we are not able to penetrate because we are not able to connect to the people and not able to showcase our products because of this restrictions, both from the pandemic and also from the government. So this networking marathon is actually a boon which is contributing to connect to many people with a single platform. Almost we are able to connect to almost 250 people, in which I found more of the real estate guys, the builders, and also the individual users who can really benefit from this marathon. For them, as far as for me as a business, it's a complete solution where it can benefit all the people, even both from the buyers and the sellers, and it will enable a business to grow, which will enable the boost in the whole of the market, and it can benefit everybody. I welcome this event, and there should be more events so that we can connect to the people, and the network is the element of business development is what I see in this whole event. Thanks for giving me the opportunity. Wish everybody a good luck to network and grow in the business. So this home automation is more like the comfort from your home, where you can control the whole of the houses, including your appliances like TV, fridge, any appliance, from where you are there sitting in your location with a remote or a voice control or a mobile application. This can be controlled across the world. Wherever you are there, you can monitor your house, and that will keep you more secure and confident that your home is secure with your family. Whether you are there or you are not there in the house, you are always with the house.